Hi, it's may puso. Answered prayer. Una sa lahat, bebe, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na umabot tayo sa tagpong ito. Secondly, nagpapasalamat ako sa pagmamahal mo na hindi nagbabago. Kulang yung sulat na to para masabi ko kung gaano mo ako kamahal.
I'm getting used to this beautiful view every time I wake up seeing your
Brothers and sisters in Christ, let us now welcome for the first time as a couple, John Christian. You may now kiss your bride.
me in this bed. This is what it's all about. Loving this new normal.
Hawak mo ang gabi!
This new
Bawat ka lang!
Hawak mo!
Sobrang saya ko lagi kapag kasama kita. Kahit lately medyo nagtatalo na tayo. Pero ngayon, pinapangako ko sa iyo na mamahalin kita ng tapat. Hindi lang sa masasayang araw, kundi lalo na sa panahon ng pagsubok.
Okay. Hi. So, saan ka ba ito? Sana magustuhan mo ang aking munting regalo sa iyo. Bawat oras na kasama kita ay regalo para sa akin at ito na siguro ang pinakamaganda. Panahon na nangyari sa buhay ko. I will always love you and this. See you later. Ganda. Thank you sa gift mo. Sobrang kong na-appreciate yung bawat oras na kasama kita. I love you so much. Okay na.
I'm getting used to this beautiful view every time I wake up seeing your sweet face. That's all it takes to turn me inside out. Love song in my head, you and me in this bed. This is what it's all about. Loving this new normal now. This new normal now, yeah.
Commitment. Siguro naman, in 12 years, pinag-usapan nyo na magpapakasal kayo, hindi na ako siguro magdududa na nasa inyong puso't isipan na it's going to be forever. And it's my hope na kayo na rin mismo ang magsasabi at magpapatunay na totoo ang kwentong and will live happily ever after.
Bakit siya? Actually, hindi ko alam nung una. Pero nung nakikilala ko siya na mas lalo kong nakikilala yung personality niya, yung pagiging generous niya, yung pagiging gentleman niya, bait niya, and ayun. Kaya naramdaman ko na siya talaga.
I don't know how you do it, but you turn that.
Ano to? Wow! Ang ganda! Karinap ko na to, Anyway.
So won't you give me tonight and the rest of the night?
Pinabibigay ni Abby.
Wow, ano to? Walang sulat! Nakasulat. Nanay, walk with me. I have saved you a seat in my heart. Thank you.
If you ever go to
Mahal, thank you kasi hindi ka sumuko kasi palagi kang nandyan para sa akin.
I slip and wonder what I'd do if you never found me and I never found you.
Pero ngayon, pinapangako ko sa'yo na mamahalin kita ng tapat. Hindi lang sa masasayang araw, kundi lalo na sa panahon ng pagsubok. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, mapasaya ka lamang. Mahal na mahal kita, Abby. Handa akong harapin ng bawat bukas, basta kasama kita. I love you. Ngayon at magpakailanman.
Your love is biblical.
Promise ko sa'yo na sasamahan kita hanggang dulo. Sa oras na masaya, sa oras na malungkot, I pray to God na maraming years pa tayong magkakasama together. Magsa-celebrate pa tayo ng golden wedding anniversary. Thank you, I love you.
I wanna have it all with you.
At ngayong araw, nalumpahan na tayo sa harap ng Diyos. I promise to love you and choose you. Hindi lang sa araw na madali. I will be your partner, your home, and your safe place. I love you so much, mahal ko. And I will keep choosing you every single day for the rest of my life.
I'll be there by your side.
Nalala ko pa nung una mong letter, your future husband. And now we're writing, now your wife, Mrs. Jessica Razon.
Love is biblical. It's biblical. It's biblical.
Where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby. If you see him, tell him that he said, want it, like a ring. I'ma take a diamond ring. I'ma make a finger around it like a big shiny diamond that I can wave around and talk about it. And one of the days, if you give me color, I can never doubt it. Until death, I do. See it, bye. This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him that my grandma said it.
Your husband is coming.